Hello, hi friends and students. Welcome to Maths World classes. I am your Chaudhary sir. So today we are discussing about one very interesting concept, that is polynomials. So what is the meaning of polynomials? So what are the types of polynomials? We discuss here one by one. If you want to this type of videos, so you are follow our channel and subscribe, and other video links can be given in description box. You have to go into check out that videos. Okay, so today we given information about polynomials. So polynomial means what? Two or more terms here. If one equation has two or more, that we can call it, or we can't say as a equation, so we say as a expression. So an expression has two or more terms, so we say as a polynomials. So polynomials involve variables and constants. These both contents involved in polynomial. If you for example, I have taken one example here. So this is one expression. If you see that, so 2, 3, 2, these are what? Constants, and x is a what? Variables. So whole constant and variables involved, so we got one expression. So that expression we say as a polynomials. So polynomials, how we express, how we write polynomial here. So any polynomial can be mentioned this type of name: p of x, g of x, f of x, any name is given. P means polynomial. That polynomial has which variable? X variable. If the polynomial y variable, so p of y. If the polynomial a variable, so how we write? P of a. So p of x equal to a naught, a1x, a2x square, up to so on, an x raised to n. So any polynomial can be write in this form. So if polynomial can be write in this, any expression can be write in this form, so we called as a polynomials. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of polynomials. Okay, so in this polynomial, when we called polynomial, some rules I will tell you. When we called polynomial, first, polynomial is a always one variable. This is the first thing. If it has two variable, it is not an polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 3y. So this is not a polynomial because it has two variable. So remember, polynomial always one variable. So first thing. Second thing is, polynomial degree always positive, means exponent. Polynomial exponent is always what? Positive. If you see that, if I take one example, 3x cube, 5x square plus 3, this is one example. If you see exponents, here is 3, here is 2. So see the exponents, both exponents are here positive. So always polynomial has exponents are what? Positive. Remember it. Third one, polynomial is not an equation. So if I take one equation here, we can't write is equal to in polynomial, because polynomial we can't show the equation, it say what? Expression. So remember these all three rules. First rule is polynomial always has only one variable. Second rule is exponents are always positive, and third rule is it is an expression, not a equation. So this type of condition involve that we can say as a polynomials. Okay, so I hope understand what are the rules follow the which type of polynomial is there. So next we are going to types of polynomial. So types of polynomial, it is based on its degree. So what is the degree or terms, we discuss here one by one. So types of polynomial mainly based on what? Degree, as well as it involve how many terms. So first is linear polynomial. Those polynomial can be write in the form of ax plus b. So any polynomial can be write in form of ax plus b. We can call as a what? Linear polynomial. So linear polynomial degree is 1, means exponent. Its highest exponent is what? 1. So first type is what? Linear polynomial. So its general form is ax plus b. Its degree is 1. Second, quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial means what? Those polynomials can be write in the form of ax square bx plus c. That type of polynomials we can call as a quadratic polynomial. Its highest degree is how much? 2. The quadratic polynomial means what? Those polynomial can be write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So that type of polynomial is called as a quadratic polynomial. Its degree is how much? 2. Next is cubic. So cubic polynomial means those polynomial can be write in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So that type of polynomials we can call as a cubic polynomial. So its highest degree is how much? 3. And last one is constant polynomial. Those polynomial has 0 degree, that we can call as a what? Constant polynomial. It is denoted by k. Those constant polynomials what? It has only number, it is not involve variable. So that type of polynomial we can call as a constant polynomial. So there are mainly 4 type of polynomials. First is linear, second is quadratic, third is cubic, fourth is constant. Which type of question asked in examination? He asks general form. These are the general form all, or he can ask the degree. What is the degree of quadratic or linear or cubic? This type of he can question ask in examination. So these are what? Types of polynomial. So moving to next point, that is degree of polynomials. So what is mean by degree of polynomial? I have take one example here. So p of x equal to 3x cube 5x square minus 3. Second is 5x raised to 4 3x square 6x. Another I have take example, f of x equal to 5x plus 4x cube minus 2x. So these are the what? Polynomials. So see the first one. How much highest degree here? Exponent. See the exponent. Not should see these numbers 3 5 minus 3. No, not these numbers. You have to see the power exponents. So it is 3, here is 2. Which is the highest here? 3 highest. So its degree is 3. See the second example. So what are the highest exponent here? That is 4. So its degree is 4. So see the third one. Highest exponent is here 3. So degree is how much? 3. So are you understand what mean by degree of polynomial? Which is the highest exponent, positive exponent, that is the degree of given polynomial. So moving to how you take these notes, you have to pause the video and take the screenshot or write it. Okay. So next, that is value of polynomial. Value of polynomial means what? So I have take one example here. P of x equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 3. So x equal to 2. So this is one polynomial, 2x square plus 5x minus 3, and also he can give the x value. How much? 2. This x value you have to put in given polynomial. So p of, where is the x? You have to put 2 value. P of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 square 5 into 2 minus how much? 3. So 2 into 2 square means 4. 5 to the 10 minus 3. 4 2s are how much? 8 plus 10 minus 3. 8 and 10, 18 minus 3, that is how much? 15. So this 15 is called, we can call as a value of polynomial. So that is the value of polynomial. How, I hope you have to understand what is the meaning of value of polynomial here. He can give one polynomial and also given one x value. You have to put in given polynomial, you got value of polynomial. So today we discuss what? Types of polynomial, degree of polynomial and value of polynomial. So we are taking one exercise here, that is 4.1. See the first question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable which are not? Stay reason for your answer. So which has polynomial and which are not, he are asking here. So the first question. See the first one is it has one variable, so that is a polynomial. Yes. Second also yes, one variable. Third is no. See the, because it is in root form, so that's why it has a no, it has not a variable. See the fourth one also one variable which is not variable, because you taking a y this side, upper side, so it write in y raised to minus 1. So how we write this one? Y raised to minus 1, that's why it is no. So last one, if you see that there are three variables you can given. So polynomial always one variable, that's why it also no. It is no, it has no polynomial. Okay. Second question. Write the coefficients of x square. Coefficients means what? Which variable is given, its constant value taken. So here is x square is given. So here is x square is there. So here is constant value is how much? If any value is not given, that answer is always 1. So here is x square. So its side is side where number is how much? There is no given number here. So means what? Its coefficient is how much? 1. So see the x square here, its coefficient is minus 1. Here is minus, that's why minus 1. So here is x square, coefficient is how much? Pi by 2. So there is no x square value is given here. So that's why its coefficient is how much? 0. Third one is basic example. So moving to fourth one. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. We have to write the degree of the given polynomial. See the highest exponent is how much here? 3. So its degree is 3. Its highest exponent is 2. Its degree is 2. Its highest exponent is 1. The degree is 1. So it has no variable, so its degree is 0. Very simple. Fifth one. Classify the following: linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear means two variable, quadratic. So how we identify linear, quadratic and cubic? They depend upon degree. If degree is 1, linear. If degree is 2, quadratic. If degree is 3, cubic. See the highest degree is 2, means it is what? Quadratic. Highest degree is 3, this is cubic. Highest degree is 2, quadratic. Highest degree is 1, linear. Highest degree is 1, it also linear. Highest degree is how much? 2, quadratic. And highest degree is 3, it is what? Cubic. So how we identify types of linear polynomials here? We have to check the degree. If degree is 1, so we say that a linear. If degree is 2, quadratic. If degree is 3, cubic. Okay. So let us we stop here. We continue in we taking the next content in next videos. So you have to like this video, follow and share.